How to use Anydesk on iPhone in seconds. So if you want to use Anydesk on iPhone in seconds, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your app store. After opening your app store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Anydesk. After searching for Anydesk, you will find the application right here, which is Anydesk Remote Desktop. You need to just simply go with get and then install the application. After installing, you need to tap on open and open the application. Once you open, you will get this kind of interface. You'll see your unique Anydesk address displayed on your screen. This address allows others to request access to your iPhone. And if someone wants to connect to your iPhone, simply share your Anydesk address with them. When they request access, a prompt will appear. Someone would like to view your desk and tap on the red dot to approve the connection. And after approval, you'll be asked to start broadcasting. This allows your screen to be shared with the remote user, and to disconnect, you can simply open up the control center and then tap on the red icon, and the session will end. An important tip: only share your Anydesk address with the people that you trust, and as it grants them access to your device. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.